Hey, what's going on? Today we're going to talk about that shoulder pain. A lot of people come in the office and they describe that shoulder pain. So what's usually happen with the shoulder? It's disbalance of the shoulder. So one of the group of muscles become very dominate and they pull that shoulder forward or backward, depends on a group of muscles. But most of the time it's a pec muscle. So the pectoralis muscles, which is the chest muscles, become really tight and it's pulling that scapula back, and that's we're also sitting rounded, so it's deactivate the muscle in the back. They make them weak, and muscle in the front become very contracted. That's why that shoulder, that scapula, which is in the back connected to our humeral bone, is rotated forward. Also our hands, because we do this, it's called pronation of your arm, computers, phones. So this also muscles helping to pronate that humeral bone towards the front, and that's also deactivate those muscles, make them weak. Let's say this. So what people do most of the time, they start stretching. They start doing this muscle pull, like I try to pull that muscle, which is infraspinatus, supraspinatus muscles. You don't need to know the group of muscles, but that's, yeah, make them weak. Also stretch forward. They start pulling, try to stretch this way. You need to strengthening this muscle. What you need to really do is maybe open it that pecs and try to get that chest up, because like I said, most of us slouch, get this dystrophy in our abdominal and our diaphragm muscle. So I'm going to show you a couple exercises which going to help you to reactivate the muscle in the back, and it's a bunch of those exercises up there, but this is one that's simple, safe. Make sure you check your band before you go. I did make the separate video about the bands, because this is like, sometimes you buy very dangerous stuff. Okay, so this is so simple. What you're doing here, get this arm inside that band and go away. Do not look this way. Do not turn towards face towards that band, because I know people sometimes doing this, they try to compensate. The band is light, so don't make yourself struggle. Here, what you're doing, you push your hands behind your back, just like that. Cross them. My left one on the top right now, right on the bottom. So what you're doing here, you try to squeeze that shoulder blades and try to pull it back. The band is going to distract you and try to pull you forward. But what you truly do, you try to reactivate that muscle. If band is slide down a little bit, that's fine. So you pull. Next one, you drop that band to your elbow, release the tension, put this on your elbow, around. Same thing, get this arm like this, same position. Now you do more radial motion. Here, it's important what you to do, switch arms. Left on the top, now right on the top. You'll feel the difference. Try to use that scapula, not try to just rotate your body. A lot of people start doing rotation. No, it's a good exercise too when you rotate. You activate your side muscles. But here we focus on our scapula. Make that stronger, not the stretch. Okay, and this is next one you can do up to. So you see my hands behind that head right now, and I'm start doing this. And let it go. So 3 position, both sides. You want to see the difference? Watch my left one. So come up here, pull it. You see the hands behind, and look how hard for me to move that scapula. I'm not trying to rotate. You see, a lot of people start doing this. Again, release the tension between your elbow, behind, hold it, forward. And you can do both at the same time too. This is the next level. Make sure the bands is the same. Or you can actually shock your body, put something more tighter on the opposite side and work. Your brain is going to try to calibrate it. That's how amazing of our body is. See, if I'm doing nothing up there, my scapula is feel more. Very, very tricky, cool stuff. Behind your head, up. And release. Feel amazing. You can do, like I said, double bands. You can put this bands, you can do in the midline. It's another one. Like I said, just watch those videos. This is going to be a little bit lower between my shoulder blades. So this one, let's put this down on that one. Like I said, I put so much bands up here to show you which bands to buy, which not. And same thing. No, sorry, it's have to be double. Don't put inside. So here we go. Find that middle. Guess what? We got that tool coming inside around one, around another one. Elbow first. You see my elbow in. Same thing. Put it up, and I put too much pressure on my right and try to. Here we go. And that scapula start moving. The left one. Start get active. Those rhomboids muscles, trapezius, mid-trapezius. Release. Do I feel better? Yeah, look at that shoulder. I can move without any pain. A little clicking, but that's fine. I'm 50 years old, so it's good. So use those exercises and have a wonderful day.